Now, the last thing you'll probably want to know for your cranial nerves is identifying if it's a motor, sensory, or mixed cranial nerve. Now, sensory cranial nerve meaning that it only has a sensory function, so think of your five senses here. So your sensory cranial nerves would be olfactory, because it only has to deal with the sensation of smell. Cranial nerve number 2, optic, because it only has to deal with what you see, so that's another sense. And then cranial nerve number 8, it only has to deal with what you hear, so vestibular cochlear. Those are your sensory cranial nerves. Now, your motor cranial nerves have to do with movement, so they only help with movement functions. So that would be your cranial nerve number 3, your ocular motor, moving your eyes. Cranial nerve number 4, your trochlear, moving your eyes as well. Cranial nerve number 6, abducens, also moving your eyes. And then cranial nerve number 11, accessory, moving your shoulders and head rotation. And then cranial nerve number 12, your hypoglossal, moving your tongue. And then your mixed cranial nerves both have a sensory and motor function. So those would be cranial nerve number 5, your trigeminal, because it has to do with facial sensation and chewing.